guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tionna Michelle if you're new here, and welcome to a new video. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a closet organization video, and today we're going to be doing my husband's closet. A couple of months ago I did my closet, and so far I've been able to maintain it for the most part. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so like I said, for the most part, I've been able to maintain it. These just haven't been working out like the way I wanted to, so I'm gonna take those out and get some more of these. Disregard the wig there, but as you can see, the clothes still look pretty good. Disregard my dirty clothes, and then the drawer over here still looks good too, and the clothes over here. So I am gonna do something with these, take those out, and then straighten this up a little bit. But the main focus of this video, like I said, is my husband's closet, which is a total disaster. I've been putting this off for so long, and I just said, you know what, you just need to do it, so I'm here doing it. But let's take a look at what this closet looks like. Like, it's a disaster. Alright, so here is what his closet looks like. It's a total disaster. Like, it's basically just storage. Rest in peace to our daughter Takia that passed away last year. And then on this side I have some of my shipping stuff, and then some of my clothes that didn't fit on my side, which he hates, and some of my purses too. So I'm gonna attempt to get my stuff out of here and put it on my side, but we shall see. And then the luggage. So yeah, it is just a disaster. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take everything out, start clean with a clean slate, and then figure out how I'm going to organize it. And yeah, so let's get into taking everything out of the closet. Going through his closet, I found some of my old CDs from like college and high school. Danity Kane. This is a DVD Step Up 2, a mix CD. Who remember mix CDs? Usher, Confessions. Drew Hill hits. You know what? I'm about to put one of these CDs on. I gotta find. I ain't got nothing to play it on. Flow Rider, Lil Jon, the East Side Boys. Why is there Sprite in the closet? Sprite in the closet. Why? Okay, so here's what the closet looks like empty. I mean, there's still some stuff left in that basket, but that's not important. So totally empty. And then I have my stuff on this side because I didn't have anywhere else to put it. So that's just there. So now I need to figure out how I want to organize these shelves. I think I want to bring this one up some and probably bring this up some, because he really does not hang up a lot of his clothes. Most of them are really folded. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I apologize about the angle of the closet, but the hallway is super narrow, so there's not too many ways I can situate it. Okay, here's what it's looking like so far. I did have to put my stuff back on that side because I just don't have any room on my side. But I found this shelf that I was using for the kids, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to use that for some of his shoes. And then I'm going to just start putting his clothes back into the closet and then see how it looks from there.